Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's interesting. A disagreement between Rabbi Yishmael and the rabbis. A disagreement on when you can engage with idol worshippers before and after their festival days. Surely you must have heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
רבי ישמעאל אומר, 3 ימים לפניהם ו3 ימים לאחריהם אסור. והחכמים אומרים, לפני עדיהן אסור, לאחר עדיהן מותר.
Okay, Peter, tell us. How did Mort explain it to you?
I remember it so clearly.
So Rabbi Yishmael says that on the 3 days before and on the 3 days after the Goyish holiday, it is completely prohibited to do any of the business with them. But the rabbis say that it's prohibited before the festivals, but afterwards it's okay. It's permissible.
Come back tomorrow for another Mishna.